How to do advanced level green screen removal on CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can do advanced level green screen removal on CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up CapCut and import your green screen video. Now to remove your green screen background, all you have to do is click on the video on your timeline. Once you have clicked on the video on your timeline, then navigate to this menu bar at the top right corner, and here you have to click on remove background. For that, click on video section, and under video tab there is an option for remove background. Click on it, and here you have to select chroma key. Once you have done that, head over to your screen where the video is and then click on your green screen, and with that now your green screen is removed. But still there are some green color border in your video. So in order to remove that completely, what you can do is here, if you increase the intensity, the green color will be removed, but you will see the object will also get changed. So if you want to perform without increasing the intensity, you can also do with the setup, but that still does not help you completely remove the green screen border or the green color border from this object right here. Now to perform the advanced level green screen removal, click on the video on your timeline, right click on it, and from here you have to select create compound clip and then click on it. Once you have done that, now again navigate to this menu bar at the top right corner, and here you have to click on adjustment. So under adjustment, there again you have various options such as basic, HSL, curves, or color wheel. Here click on HSL, select the color green, and then you have to decrease the saturation all the way to -100. And if you still see some of the colors, so in my case I can still see the yellow color. Now I will select the yellow and again decrease its saturations to -100. Now as you can see, there is no any borders in my subject now. So in this way you can perform advanced level green screen removal on CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.